Guys, like if you feel this hair is on your face, just use a pin to put the hair on the side like that. And comment down below if you love this style, guys. Just comment down below. And then I have it in different colors. If you want it in black, 230 to 27, any other color that you prefer, just let me know. But just comment down below, guys. Comment down below if you love this style. And the color as well. This is color 133. For those people who don't love brighter colors or too dark, can go for this color 133. So guys, what do you think? If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below for my website global.sharon.co.ke or my WhatsApp number. Just WhatsApp me and I'll make your order. So it doesn't come with this clip, guys. I was just playing with the hair and so that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.